This is Jason Sheffield with Netscope, and today I'm going to show you some more difficult things to do with DLP. One of those is matching of files that don't exactly aren't 100% match, and it's called a Hamming distance match. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back over to my OneDrive, and I've actually got some standard IRS forms that are filled out with some dummy data, but typically this would be PII information that I've gone in and filled out some information and put in a fake social security number and a location. But if you were to do a fingerprint of this particular file and look for an exact match, well, the only thing that you would get an exact match for is that exact same file. So the way that the Netscope fingerprinting works is we can fingerprint the blank file and then check it against that blank file to see how close it is, and then be able to provide a verdict on that. So I'm going to go over again to my Dropbox account, and I'm going to upload some file, the same file that I just showed, and it should show us the action that I'm not allowed to do that. So I'm going to say oops, and it's going to block me from doing that. And this, I can do that with any particular cloud application that are out there, and I think there's probably close to 300 of them now, but we've got policy, a single policy to be able to cover all of those different actions. So here's where I went and looked at the file in OneDrive, took a look at it, and then I went to Dropbox and tried to upload it, and again triggered a block policy. And this time it was I fingerprinted that IRS form, and the form that it was a fingerprint matched to was the original W4 form, and 100% score. It was actually more than 100% because it was all of the original file plus some additional is what caused the user alert pop-up. But again, it's just one additional way that Netscope can provide some advanced controls for DLP. Thank you very much.